How easy it is to profit with the help of technicals we have realized today again. I have asked you to buy at 2658 with first target at 2665 and then towards 2672. Both are done while silver we can say has stayed in a zone. Now this is the second update for the day and a very important one as the data getting released before the US session might bring a little volatility, and how to profit with that we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Now, gold and silver definitely are going to bring little volatility here, and which direction you should. We will analyze the multi-time frame levels and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade with profit, trade with logic. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day and both at crucial timings. Thus, do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Do join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till. What's happening in gold? You can see straight bullishness here. And we can find out it is trading in this channel still. And now if you see it is staying below 26.6, we can expect more bearishness from there, but ideally you have to wait for 26.48.50. As long as 26.48.50 zone is not taken for the day, do not treat gold as bearish. Very clear. Again I am highlighting, as long as 26.48.50 is not taken for the day, do not treat gold as bearish. Yes, after a strong bullish move it is trying to erase some of the gains. It is possible that it can move towards 26.60.58 levels, or in fact 26.54 levels, but ideally the bearishness in gold is only and only if it trades below 26.48.50, below which you can expect it to move towards 26.40.42. Stochastic overbought trying to cool down. The MACD has retraced, now trying to converge crossover for a sell. The RSI is overbought and trying to come out of it. Coming to the 2-hour charts, you can see straight bullishness here and it is still respecting this channel, and thus only below 26.60 levels slight bearishness, and the reversal confirmation only below 26.50.48. It is possible because see it is trading with divergence from the 20 period. Divide this into two, it is possible that it can come down towards 20 period for once before bouncing back a little. So yes, 26.48.50 might provide it a very good support. Stochastic overbought here while the MACD is still rising, trading with modest bullishness. But if you notice, it has hit the highs and a crossover from here can lead to a reversal. RSI is overbought, trying to come out of it on the 3-hour charts. And now on the 3-hour charts, remember it is only double bottom. It is only formed a double bottom. The preceding candle lows and the current candle lows are identically same, and thus it is important for it to trade below 26.60. Then only you should take a selling entry. Else, what could happen? It could still reverse and rally. Yes, possibility is there. Once it trades above 26.72, you can initiate a buying entry here. Expect 26.70, 6.78 as the first target zone and 26.84 as the next. But when you connect the dots here, you will find ideally gold is trading in this channel. It is almost hit the highs and there is a possibility for it to hit the lows of the channel here, and the lows of the channel are now towards 26.40.42. The moving average is crossing over here is a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic overbought. MACD has hit a highs. The possibility of it to reverse exists here. RSI overbought, trying to come out of it. On the 4, similar is the observation. See the preceding few candles, increasing body size, increasing bullishness. Current candle starting on a flat note, it can still reverse and it can still rally from here. Possibility is high. And this time if it reverses and trades beyond 26.76.78, we are looking forward to 26.84. And in fact, if it breaks 84.85, 26.91, 2700 cannot be denied. But I will say you have to be a bit cautious. What I am looking at, I am looking at this channel. What I am looking at, it can still reverse, it can still drop. And how far? See, below 26.48.50 is where slight bearishness will prevail, and below 26.40 is where you can say now it is trying to reverse. Stochastic overbought. MACD has seen a good highs. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to the now on the daily charts, remember 3 bullish candles here. It has seen the highs. It is taking support from the 2050 period moving average. This also confirms that only below 26.50 and 48 we can see a little lows. How low? Just connect this, you will find that it can in fact come towards 26.40 and 26.30.32 zone. If it drops below 26.48.50 is where slight bearishness will prevail. Stochastic overbought. MACD, now this is important because see MACD after a strong bearish move, it is on the verge of a crossover. This crossover can reverse things up. This crossover can lead to a reversal in gold prices. This crossover suggests that we are looking forward to further bullishness in gold for the next few sessions. RSI rising. So looking at this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, join my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So first thing is where to buy. 2672. What is the first target zone? 2676, 78. Very strong resistance there. Yes, very strong resistance is there. Then 2684, 85. And if it trades beyond this, I will look forward to 2691, 92. And in fact, it may try to move towards the most critical levels here, 2700, chances for which are there but appears to be less. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 2662, because see, for the day we have seen good enough bullishness, it can try to reverse. And if you see it trading below 2650, 62, remember 2658 first, 2654 second, and 2648.50 third. Now below 2648.50 is where you can expect slight bearishness, where you can expect it to move towards 2642. And if it trades below 2640, 42, you can expect more bearishness towards 2632, 30 levels as well. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to see silver for the day traded with modest bullishness. It is moved towards 3120, 3140 zone. Twin peak is done, and this zone we have discussed several times why this is a greater resistance zone. If you notice the movement for silver, rise retracement, double bottom, rise retracement, and a bottom is formed, so a possibility of reversal from these levels is high. And thus, in fact, even if you see the lower price above 3110, you can again initiate a buying entry. But again, this is crucial. We are not observing a momentum here in silver. We are not observing a sustained acceleration here in silver prices. Thus, it is crucial for it to trade first below 3120-40 zone and then above 3160. If these two levels are taken, you can say the bulls are back in gold, in silver, and beyond 3160 we are aiming for $32 levels. Stochastic at bottom, MACD is on the verge of a crossover for sell. RSI has dropped here on the 2-hour charts. Now on the 2-hour charts, remember rise retracement or consolidation. And if you notice, it has formed here a flag, it has breached this flag and now taking the support from 31. Now 3080 is the level below which only ideally it should be bearish. And if you see the higher price below 31 or 3095, you can take a selling entry there. Wait for it to break below 3080. That is the sign of bearish. Else, do not treat this as bearish. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD has dropped, it is almost running flat, the RSI has dropped here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3-hour charts, ideally see it has formed a good base here, a strong momentum is seen here. Then since then, first bearish candle, and it is right now taking support. It is not that it cannot drop, because see what we are observing, the drop here, the twin peak here, lower lows here, a drop below 3080 should take silver towards 3060, and below 3060 is where we can expect more bearish momentum here, where it can move towards 30 levels. Be watchful of this. Right now I will say still be watchful. It is still not to be treated bearish as of now. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is trading with modest bearishness after retracing here. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, similar observation, rise retracement, and now breaking out here. So yes, once it stays above 3120-40 zone, we are looking forward to a greater bullish move. 3160, $32 levels can be seen here. Possibility is high. See, it is respecting this channel. The highs of the channel are above 32. Be mindful of this. And below 3080, I will say more bearishness to prevail. Stochastic at top, MACD is also trading with slight bearishness. If you notice, MACD divide this into two. Look at the formation, look at this, look at this, look at this, and then if it reverses, it is going to deliver a massive move here. RSI comfortable. Coming to day. Now on the daily charts, my focus point is this lower highs, then first red candle, and now it is started on a flat note. At any point of time, silver trading below 3080 should lead to a move towards 3060 and then 30 levels. So if it trades below 3030, we can say now we are looking forward to a greater correction here. The crossover in the moving average is a good sign for the bears out here. Yes, this is going to be a greater resistance zone, and we know that beyond 3160 is where we are looking forward to bullishness towards 32. Stochastic at top, MACD in the verge of a crossover. This can lead to reversal and RSI rising. So looking at very simple, buy at 3120 levels, expected to move towards 3140, 3120, 40 is ideally a greater resistance zone, and you have to be cautious and watchful of this. Any move beyond 3140 and 3160, then the we are looking at $32 levels as the next target. Still 31.60, you have to be extremely cautious and alert with the rise here. On the downside, you can sell here at 30.95, expect 30.80 levels. 30.80, 30.75 should be the first target, and any drop below 30.80, 30.75 should take it towards 30.50 levels, 30.40 levels, or in fact 30.50 and 30.30. Below 30.30 is where the bears are waiting. You can wait for $30 levels, chances for which appears to be less, but these are markets. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the first update every day with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank